Welcome to Behavior Function Basics, understanding the four functions of behavior using the S.E.A.T model. In this module, we will explore the S.E.A.T SEAT model, which stands for sensory, escape, attention, and tangibles, which represent the four core functions of behavior. Understanding these foundational principles is critical for professionals working in applied behavior analysis. Let's begin with the basics. Behavior is anything a person does that can be observed and measured. But beyond just what you see, we are interested in understanding the purpose behind the behavior, the why, and this is where the S.E.A.T framework comes into play, helping us identify whether behavior serves a sensory, escape, attention, or tangible function. To accurately identify behavior functions, we follow a structured process. Observe the antecedent, behavior, and consequence. Collect data on how often the behavior occurs, how long it lasts, and how intense it is. Then we conduct a functional behavior assessment, or FBA, where the BCBAs use this data to determine the function of the behavior. We covered the importance of identifying the functions in the introductory video, but we're going to go a little bit deeper here. First, it is because it supports teaching new skills through replacement behaviors. It helps us avoid reinforcing problem behaviors as it guides our choices of intervention strategies, and it promotes consistency across all environments, ensuring that everyone on the support team is using the same approach. Here, let's take a closer look at the four functions, starting with sensory and escape. Sensory behaviors provide internal reinforcement like rocking or humming, and escape behaviors allow the individual to avoid a task. For example, a child might throw papers to avoid doing classwork. And next, we have attention and tangibles. Attention-seeking behaviors aim to get a response from others, like a child screaming to gain a teacher's attention. Tangible behaviors occur when the individual seeks access to a specific item or activity, like crying for a tablet or a toy. Here are your key takeaways. Identifying the function of behavior helps us plan effective interventions. It guides us in promoting positive, adaptive behaviors, and it is an essential skill for ABA professionals working to create meaningful behavior change through evidence-based strategies. So, to sum it up, understanding behavior functions is essential for anyone in ABA, and when we accurately identify the function, we can select better interventions, support skill development, and foster lasting change for the individuals that we serve. All right, you have completed the lesson portion of the module. Up next is a matching activity where you will apply what you have learned by connecting behaviors to their correct function. Click Next to begin at the bottom.